Hey, what's up, beers and greasers alike? Welcome to another episode of Beers and Stuff. And in today's episode, it's gonna be a little bit different as well compared or just like the previous video. If you haven't watched that yet, make sure to do so after this video. And as I was saying, yes, today we'll be unboxing another products or a couple of products from GROOMBOX PH. Special thanks to Denzel Zhang of GROOMBOX PH for sending us or me or the channel a couple of his product offerings from his online store, GROOMBOX PH. Not only does he sell pomades but also solid perfumes and minoxidil. If you're into that, make sure to check out GROOMBOX PH. But anyway, since I've mentioned this is an unboxing, the review is gonna be based on the unboxing experience. The products are soon to be reviewed as well in the future, sometime next year. Why don't we just move right on ahead and first off, please watch this unboxing video. Okay, so you're still here. That's nice. So anyway, how'd you like that unboxing? As far as I'm concerned, I really like it, and it's quite a different approach to all the stockist type of stuff. If you don't know what stockist means, it simply refers to as resellers. GROOMBOX sells a variety of brands, which is mostly local, and some other brands that I haven't heard of yet, such as Pete and Aliyah, El Urbano, Savvy Pomade, Maharlika Pomade, and this one I know, it's a new brand, Sir Pomade. And you also have your OGs such as Eight Wolves, The Maverick, El Jefes, Groom and Brew, of course. Oh yeah, we also have The Shine and Berlin Hair Supply. Did I miss something? Did I forget something? Okay, so what I think about the unboxing experience. So first off, when it came in the mail, there's the whole courier packaging, and once I ripped that off, I got a note, like a whole piece of bond paper with some personalized message there. I'm not gonna show you because it's personalized. It's private, let's just keep it at that. And then the boxes also comes with a bubble wrap. Both of them, like who doesn't like bubble wrap, right? And looking all around the box, of course, on the top part where you slice it open, you have the GROOMBOX sticker there, the logo, and on the sides, or is this the front? I don't know. You have the GROOMBOX label as well. It's more of a custom look. You have your barcodes or whatever there. Yes, pomades, the mini box. And on this side, I'm gonna just cover that, so it's more personalized, because aside from the courier package where your name is supposed to be, and your address and stuff, and your all your information, also right here you have your name and some other, and then the type of product, so you don't mix it up or whatever. And of course inside, yeah, I really like this. Also got another sticker here. What a shame I can't rip this off. And you got your, what do you call this, shredded paper instead of styrofoam. It's very economical. It's what do you call this? Environmentally friendly, and you can also recycle this or whatever you feel like, and you can reuse the box as well. It's very nice. And look at that paper, yeah, more custom. I mean, it's custom as well. That GROOMBOX writings there, the text and whatnot. And I've also realized that these are actually from a brown paper bag, or this is the actual brown paper bag. So how efficient is that? And cheap as well, like a brown paper bag confetti. Okay, so what do you think about it? I don't know how much it costs, because GROOMBOX just sent this over. I didn't pay for anything, although total disclosure and disclaimer, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. These are all my honest thoughts, opinions. What else? Oh yeah, I did check just now, so the price is just a tiny bit higher than the regular price, but then you get a nice presentation, you get a personalized touch, and it's very detailed. So if you're into that kind of a situation. I mean, if you appreciate those kind of stuff, then why not? It's not too bad. You get what you pay for, right? Okay guys, before I let you go, make sure to check out GROOMBOX PH after this video. Maybe something will catch your eye or something. I mean, he's got a ton of product offerings, all that shebang. You know what I mean? And if you do so, get the feeling of yeah, add to cart. But before you check out, make sure to use my code BNS_groom to get 5% off every time you check out. And with your account, the one that you're using in what? Sorry about that. GROOMBOX PH website, that account, you can use my code for a year. I mean, how awesome is that, right? You can use it anytime, anywhere, how many times you want, as long as it's in that 1 year period. So that's awesome. I think it's a really good deal. I mean, you get 5% off. Did I mention that? The holidays. This is a great gift. I mean, come on, man. Huh? And maybe you can also request something if you're planning to gift it to someone else, a loved one, a friend, or whomever, a special someone. Yeah, all of those people, maybe gift wrap it, or I don't know, whatever. So anyway, remember, BNS_groom, 5% off for a year. I mean, who would want to miss that, right? Wait. One more thing, one last thing before you go, alright? This won't take too long. Why don't you like and subscribe to the channel to show your love and support? And also, don't forget to turn on that notification bell or that post notification so you don't miss out on anything like videos, reviews, unboxing, stuff, food, whatever. Yeah? And that's gonna be it for this video, and I'll see you in the next bit. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, fantastic YouTube channel to date. I'm Luigi, and you're watching Business Stuff. Okay, so before I let you go, guys, make sure to check out GROOMBOX PH and use my code BNS_groom to get what is going on?